Tracking client activity in Top Echelon is crucial for staying on top of your business relationships and ensuring you're maximizing the software's full potential. If you're new to Top Echelon or just wondering how to monitor client interactions, you're in the right place. Stick with me to learn the best strategies to get the most out of this tool and streamline your tracking process. First, let's talk about the basics. When you log into Top Echelon, you're going to want to start by setting up client records correctly. You'll do this by adding essential client details and activities. With Top Echelon, every email, call, or meeting is an opportunity to track and build your relationship. This system helps you get organized, but it's the next steps that really help you start tracking activity efficiently. A great way to begin is by utilizing the Activity tab in your client profile. Every action, whether it's a phone call, email exchange, or a task you've completed, can be logged here. This helps you build a timeline of all client interactions, ensuring no communication falls through the cracks. It's a powerful feature that will keep you aware of exactly where each client stands at any given time. Another useful tool within Top Echelon is the Notes feature. You'll want to add detailed notes after meetings or any form of communication. These notes help you keep track of important information such as client preferences, goals, or concerns, all of which are invaluable when following up. You can search these notes later, which is an excellent way to quickly retrieve specific details you need for future conversations. Don't overlook tasks within the software. These allow you to create reminders for follow-ups, deadlines, or key milestones. Having all these tasks in one place will ensure you never miss an opportunity to engage with your client and stay on track. One of the biggest advantages of Top Echelon is its integration with email and calendar features. This means you can schedule meetings and set reminders, and the system will automatically log them. You'll also be able to track email communication within the platform itself, which makes keeping up with clients that much easier. Every client interaction is neatly documented and accessible at any time. If you're managing multiple clients, using the Client Activity Dashboard will be a game changer. This feature gives you a high-level overview of all client activity. You can quickly see which clients have been the most active, where you might need to follow up, and even prioritize your next steps based on recent activity. It's an excellent tool for keeping track of your entire client base without feeling overwhelmed. For more advanced tracking, you can set up client alerts. These alerts notify you whenever there's activity related to a particular client, so you're always in the loop. Whether it's a scheduled task or a new communication logged, the alerts ensure you're notified immediately and can respond without delay. Now, here's the important part. Top Echelon offers an exclusive and extended free trial, which you can access through the first link in the description below. This will give you a chance to dive in and explore all these features without any commitment. To wrap it up, if you're new to Top Echelon and want to track your client activity efficiently, start by setting up your client profiles, log all communications, use tasks and notes to stay organized, and take advantage of the activity dashboard. And remember, make sure to grab that exclusive free trial using the link below to experience everything Top Echelon has to offer. Keep track of your clients, stay organized, and watch your business grow.